In today's video, I am going to teach you how to gain money with Kit. To get started, you will be using a few core features inside Kit. The goal is simple. You upload something valuable, you set a price so people can buy it, and then you share a checkout link so traffic can turn into sales. After that, you will set up commissions through paid recommendations, and finally, you will enable a tip jar so supporters can easily send extra support. First, go to Earn Products. Once you are on that page, look for the option to upload your file. This is where you will add the content you want to sell. Take a moment to confirm that the file you are uploading is the correct one, and that it opens properly or downloads correctly once it is uploaded. After the upload completes, you will be prompted to set a price. Choose a price that matches the value of what you are offering. If you are unsure, consider pricing in a way that feels reasonable for your audience while still reflecting the work you put into creating the product. When the product is saved, you will want to share the checkout link. Go back to the product area and locate the checkout link for your newly created item. Copy it carefully, because this link is what people will use to purchase. You can share it anywhere you communicate with your audience, such as social posts, an email, or a page where you already help people. This checkout link is the direct path from interest to payment, so make sure you share it clearly. Next, you will expand your reach using paid recommendations. Head to Earn Paid Recommendations and look for the section where you can select newsletters. The idea here is that Kit can promote your newsletter or your offer to new subscribers, and you can earn a commission when those recommendations drive signups or purchases, depending on how Kit displays the program details. Choose the newsletters you want to promote. Select options that align with your audience, so the people who see your recommendation are more likely to be interested. After selecting them, review the settings to confirm everything is ready to go. Then you can submit or save your choices, so paid recommendations can start working for you. After you finish setting up commissions, you will add one more layer of income using a tip jar. This is a straightforward feature that allows supporters to contribute extra money, even when they do not purchase a paid product. To do this, open your product settings and find the option to enable a tip jar. Turn it on so it becomes available to your audience. Then you need to link it in places where people will naturally see it. To connect it properly, look for your email footer option, and also check your thank you page setting. Link the tip jar in your email footer so people can notice it during follow-up messages. Linking it on your thank you page is also helpful, because that is the moment when someone has just interacted with your content or purchased something, and they may want to show additional support. Make sure the link you place there is the correct tip jar link, and that it points to the right destination. Once the tip jar is enabled and linked, your setup is complete. At this point, you have products ready to sell through a checkout link. You have paid recommendations selected to help bring in commission opportunities, and you have added an easy way for supporters to tip you. That combination can create a smoother path to earnings than relying on only one income method. That covers everything you need to know.